Hello friend, welcome back to Programming Drama Online. This is lecture 4 to learn Java programming. In previous lecture we discussed various constraints of J2SE. Now we are going to learn very important question which is asked in interview and campus activity. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? So let's start. So before we start, let's take this equation. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. So what is the value of C? We would say 30. That's amazing. But take it. Did you get it? Probably no. But computer take it very easy. I just asked you A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. You said 30. For human being, it is very easy to learn text or English word, but when we are talking about binary value, it is very difficult to understand for human being, but computer take it very easy and work very fast. So how computer convert these texts to binary form? So computer translator take these texts as an input and translate it into binary form. So in computer programming, this translator called compiler. Compiler takes source code as an input and convert it into equivalent machine code. C program need compiler, Java program need compiler, C++ program need compiler. So how compiler work? Compiler take source code as an input and convert it to machine code or object file. So how it work? So it read first instruction at time and convert it to machine code. Then read second instruction and convert it to machine code. When it reach third instruction, it will get confused because it did not know about C variable. Then it will give bug. Then it will continue to run fourth instruction and convert it to machine code. Then it will continue to run fifth instruction and convert it to machine code. When it run all these instructions, then compiler will force to you to remove this bug. When you remove this bug, then compiler again compile and generate object file. Let's take how interpreter work. Interpreter work like compiler, but what is the difference between interpreter and compiler? Interpreter take one instruction at a time and convert it to machine code, then run it. That's the difference. It take one instruction at a time and convert it to machine code and then run it. Then read second instruction and convert it to machine code, then run it. Then when it will reach third line, it will also get confused like compiler because it did not know about variable C and give bug. Then it will continue to run fourth line and read fourth line and convert it to machine code and run it. Then read fifth line and convert it to machine code, then run it. So friend, here we are talking about Java programming. So let's take how Java compiler work. Java compiler takes source code as an input and compile it to bytecode, which is not understood by human and computer. It is only understood by JVM. So here interpreter is not present. So class loader load this bytecode. Then interpreter convert this bytecode to equivalent object file or machine code. It read one instruction at a time and convert it machine code, then run it. Then it read second instruction, convert it to machine code, then run it. Then read third instruction, convert it to machine code, then run it. Here Java compiler also used to generate bug and exception. So that's it for this lecture, friend. Please subscribe our channels for more video.